Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites: joint mobility and breathing control. Once done, set a 10-15-minute warm-up that includes hip hinge patterns and thoracic rotations. You will learn the how and why. Diaphragmatic breathing stabilizes the spine, so practice slow inhales and controlled exhales tied to each rep. Start with 3 foundational drills: dead bug, hollow hold, and bird dog. Do 2-3 sets. Keep tension, not strain. This gets you ready for progression. Once you have consistent form, you progress methodically. You increase difficulty by adding reps, longer holds, or easier to hard progression variations. Make sure to change only one variable at a time. For example, move from hollow holds 20s to 30, then to tuck L-sits, then single leg variations. Use tempo control, 2 seconds on the contraction, 3 seconds lowering, with brief pauses at end range to build control. You will notice better carryover to daily tasks and exercises. You finish sessions with a short cool down and breathing reset. This aids recovery and reinforces motor patterns. Once done, log your holds, reps, and how hard each set felt so you can plan small, consistent increases. If pain or form breakdown happens, make sure to regress the exercise, reduce range of motion, lower volume, or return to a simpler variation until control returns. One key tip: prioritize control over intensity. Build quality first, then add load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.